Welcome to the installation video of the 4WTCDD tiered deep drawer. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and either a 3/32 inch bit or a posy bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a bubble level, tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a drawer unit, soft close slides, release triggers, rear brackets for face frame cabinets, figure 8 brackets with screw pack, number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, M5 by 11 mm Euro screws, M5 by 14.5 mm Euro screws, and a lateral stabilizer kit for 30 or 36 inch combination drawer boxes. Remove the existing drawer from the cabinet and lay face down. Use your pencil and trace around the bottom 2 corners. Mark the back of the drawer front. Next, remove the hardware and detach the drawer front. You will no longer need the old drawer box or its corresponding slides. Place the figure 8 brackets over the pre-drilled holes on the front of the drawer and secure using the screws from the same figure 8 packet. Flip the drawer over and place the left and right bloom triggers flush against the front and side walls. Align the trigger holes to the pre-drilled holes in the drawer and attach using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Now align the bottom corners of the new drawer box to the pencil marks on the drawer front. Mark the hole locations in the figure 8 brackets. Before pre-drilling, it's recommended you put a piece of tape on the tip of the bit to use as a guide to help prevent drilling all the way through the drawer front. Use a 3/32 inch bit to drill pilot holes through the marked locations. Align the figure 8 brackets over the pre-drilled holes and install using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Secure your existing hardware to the front of the drawer. The tiered deep drawer can be installed in both a frameless and face frame cabinet. Before we demonstrate each version, it should be noted that both 30-inch and 36-inch combination drawer boxes come with a Bloom lateral stabilizer kit. This kit applies to both frameless and face frame applications. To install, insert the locating pin into the tandem runner. Press the orange locking clip to lock into place. Slide the gear rack into the pinion housing. Insert locating tabs into cutouts on the bottom of the runner. Slide back to lock into place. Repeat with the other slide. Add the pinion adapters into the linkage rod. The linkage rod and locking clips will be demonstrated after the slides are installed. For frameless applications, the slides mount directly to the side wall. If your frameless cabinet has system holes, use the Euro screws. To determine which Euro screw to use, measure the thickness of the side wall. If it is 3/4 inch, use the M5 by 11 mm screws. If it is 5/8 inch, use the M5 by 14.5 mm screws. A spacer is required when using the larger Euro screws. Make sure the front of each slide is set back 1/8 inch from the front edge of the cabinet. Use the posy bit to secure the Euro screws into the system holes. Repeat with the other slide. Insert the linkage rod assembly into the left and right pinions. Press the locking clips down over both adapters. Place the drawer inside the cabinet. Ensure the bloom release triggers underneath the drawer engage with the bloom slides. Cycle the unit. For frameless applications without system holes, place the slide 1/8 of an inch back from the front edge of the cabinet. Ensure the slide is level and use your pencil to mark 3 hole locations. Before pre-drilling, tape your 3/32" drill bit to help prevent drilling all the way through the side wall. Pre-drill the holes. Secure using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Insert the linkage rod assembly into the left and right pinions. Press the locking clips down over both adapters. Place the drawer inside the cabinet. Ensure the bloom release triggers underneath the drawer engage with the bloom slides. Cycle the unit. We will now demonstrate in a face frame application. Slide the rear bloom bracket into the back slot of each bloom slide. Place the slide 1/8 of an inch back from the cabinet opening and mark the front 2 holes. Make sure the slide is level and extend the rear bracket so it is flush with the back wall of the cabinet. Mark 1 screw location in one of the top row corners and 1 screw location in the bottom row corner on the opposite side. Remove the slide and pre-drill your marks using the 3/32" bit. Attach the rear bracket to the back of the cabinet using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Connect the back of the slide to the rear bracket and position the front over the pre-drilled holes in the face frame. Secure using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Repeat with the other slide. Place the drawer inside the cabinet. Ensure the bloom release triggers underneath the drawer engage with the bloom slides. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your products for years to come.